Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm about to show you a new tutorial where I'm going to demonstrate that how I downloaded Drain Mansion game on my phone, and I'm going to show you step by step that how you can download it also you can play it in your phone also. So the method I found it out, it works for the both devices, iOS and Android devices. Today I'm going to show you with my Xiaomi phone the steps you need to follow to download the game, but the same steps works also for iOS devices, guys. I already downloaded it in my iPhone, but right now I'm recording with it. If you want for the iOS users, if you want me to make a tutorial with iPhone because you're facing any problem or whatever, just let me know in the comments below and I'm going to make a tutorial also with iPhone. Okay, so first thing first, what we're going to do, just going to press in the app and go to the app info so you can see that this is a real game, guys. It's not any video or something, and this is the version 1.4.0, guys, and the storage required it is 122 megabytes. Okay, so as you can see by yourself, this is a real game. Now I'm going to open the game and enter inside of it, so we can play a little bit so you can see the game, and after it we're going to show the steps you need to follow in order to get it also. I'm just going to go to the new game. Okay, I'm going just to skip this part. You want to play the tutorial? No. Okay, as you can see, here we are inside of the game, guys. Okay, we're not going to stay too long in the game, so we don't make the video too long, guys. But we'll go immediately to show the steps you need to follow in order to get it also you and play it by yourself later on. Okay. Okay. Oh, something is going on here. I have to blur this part, guys, but I'll go immediately now, so do not get any age restriction or something. So first of all, guys, all you have to do, you need to go to search in the Google for Android devices and in Safari for iOS devices, and you need to go to search for this website called freeinjects.com. This is the name of the website, guys, where I find it out the game. And when you enter inside of this website, you're going to face a bunch of other applications, a lot of tweet and modded apps and games, which later on you can check it by yourself. If you want to get any one of them, you can get it without a problem. I'll just go into search in the searching bar about our game, and it says in the description to download and play the game Drain Mansion, mobile and iOS and Android. So all you have to do is to press here in the middle, guys, and then press the green sign download now. You just need to wait a couple of seconds. The loading process of the game process it from the website to your device. So as you can see, guys, the steps are very simple and easy, and the same steps are working also for iOS devices, guys. So this is my video for the tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. So after finish this one, it's going to pop up the game on your phone. Thank you for watching.